In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a distribution list with Outlook. By the end, you'll have a reusable contact list you can address in one click, perfect for teams, clubs, or recurring updates. First, open your web browser and go to outlook.live.com. Make sure you're signed in to your Outlook account. On the left side of the page, look for the People icon or the People option and select it. This takes you to your contacts area where Outlook manages individual contacts and group lists. In Outlook on the web, a distribution list is called a contact list, and it lets you email multiple people at once without typing each address every time. At the top, find the New Contact button and click the small arrow to open the drop-down menu. From that menu, choose New Contact List. This option is different from New Contact, which creates a single person entry. New Contact List is what you want for a group or distribution list. A panel will open where you can set up the list. Start by typing a clear, recognizable name for your contact list. Use a name that makes it obvious who's included or what the list is for, like project updates or volunteer crew. Consistent naming makes it easier to find later and prevents confusion if you create several lists. Next, add email addresses for the people you want in the list. You can type an address directly, and Outlook may suggest matches from your existing contacts. Click a suggestion to add it quickly. If you're pasting multiple addresses, check for typos and make sure each address is valid. You can continue adding more email addresses until your list includes everyone you need. It's a good idea to include only the addresses that should receive group messages and to confirm recipients are comfortable being on a shared list. You'll also see a description field. Use this to capture context, why this list exists, who it's meant for, or guidelines on when to use it. This note helps you and anyone else with access remember the list's purpose later. When everything looks right, the name, the addresses, and the description, click Create. Outlook will save your contact list and make it available in your people area. Going forward, when composing a new email, you can type the list's name in the To field, and Outlook will address the message to everyone on the list automatically. If you ever need to update members, you can return to People, open the list, and edit it. That's it, your distribution list is ready to use.